Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Tips, and today I'm here with the two websites so that you can get a free Udemy certificate. Yes, you heard it right, a free Udemy certificate. So without wasting time, we will start the video. Before that, I request you to please watch full video, and if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe my channel so that you will get more videos like this and you will take a benefit of these videos. So let's get started. Hi, welcome once again. The Udemy link is given in the description, so you can go to the description and check the Udemy link so that you will get this page. If you don't have an account, you need to click here and you will get this page. Here you need to fill your full name, like as your SSC pass card, and then you need to fill email address, and then you need to type the password, which should be a strong password, and then you need to tick that mark and then click on sign up. I already have an account, so I will click on login, and I will quickly log in, show the home page. Okay, this is the home page of the Udemy. As you can see here, I already enrolled one course that's also taken for free. You can see I'm searching for one course like Python for beginners, basics to advanced. As we all know that the any course in the Udemy, that will minimum charges 499 and the maximum up to 12,000. So this course also charging 499 rupees. So I want this course to be free. So you can see that how I will get this course for free. This is the first website where you can get free courses. It will update daily basis, so you may not get the same course when you are going to this page. I searched for machine learning, so because I am interested in, here you can see Python for beginners, basics to advanced, the same course which is already seen in the Udemy. So I clicked on that. You can see I can get this course for free. This will expire in 2 hours 16 minutes. I made this video on 13th July, so you may not get the same course because this website will update daily basis, but you will get a similar course. Just click on get coupons to get free certificate, free course. Here it will take you to Udemy directly, and you can now see that this is my profile only. As you can see, it will take you to the Udemy website, official website, where you can see now it is free for 2 hours left. Okay, now you can enroll this course. You can see over there is a coupon is applied. This coupon is valid for 2 hours. Now I will enroll the course. See, enrolling for 0 rupees. I am not investing anything. Yes, now we can start the course. Here it will ask for some feedbacks for why you want to start with the Python. Just it's a feedback, no need to worry about it. So you can select some feedbacks if you want. Improve my existing skill. Okay. Now you can see this course is started. Now you can complete this course any time, whenever you are free. So you can see this, you need to complete the video. After completing the video, you can see, after completing the 41 items, then you will get a get certificate button over here. I will show that at the end of this video. Okay, now we will refresh the Udemy website. So you can see earlier it was only one course available. Now it is available 2 courses. So whenever you can finish it whenever you are free. This is another website called Disk Udemy. Here also we can get the free certificate. These two websites link is given in the description. You can go to the description and select the website which you want to use. So here you can see Android, any course if you want to start the course in Udemy for free, you can come over this website. You can select the course. Here you can see many of the tools are there. I will suggest you to go to the this popular last 5 days. You can see that machine learning, Python, and data science. This I want to take this course now. So if I copy paste this same course in the Udemy in the search bar, you can see now it is asking for around 500. You can see I'll search in the search bar of Udemy. You can see, yes, it's 500 again. So I want to this course to be free. You can see that is 4.0 ratings. So this is a very good course. So I will come again to the Disk Udemy website. As you can see, you need to go to that down of that same page. um, at the down you will get take course button as green. So you need to click on that. After clicking on that, you will get this page where you will get this link. By clicking on that, it will directly take you to Udemy official website, where you can see now this course is for free. This is my own what profile. So you can enroll now. Here again we are not paying any money for this, so it's enrolled. Now we can start the course. It's just a feedback. As I said earlier, you just need to give the feedbacks before starting why you are starting this video. Okay, now you need to complete these videos to get the certificate. Now you know that how to get the free course and free certificate through that two websites. So you can now check that if you refresh the Udemy account, now you can see one more is added over here. Now I will quickly complete one of the course, so that how will you get the certificate. Now you can see in my course I have completed Python for beginners basics to advanced. This course I completed all the videos. This is a 8 hours course I have completed. So you can see now I am getting the get certificate over here. Click on that, you will get this page where you can see the certificate. You can download by JPG or PDF format. That's it. I hope you like the video, so please subscribe, share, and like the video.